like it, I want you to just tap me with your left shoulder, with your left arm, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Throw the right one.
Woo! Yes. Oh!
You like that?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, that was so awesome. Oh.
Go ahead and stand up.
Oh, that was awesome.
All right, Natalie, what'd you just do, sweetheart?
I skydived!
All right. So you came out of Chattanooga Skydiving Company, had a good time?
Yes, absolutely.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
You gonna drop out of school?
Yes.
Oh yeah! Woo! All right. Don't drop out of school, kids.